Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is in collaboration with Moroccanoil, and I'm going to be showing you how to get this inverted crown braid. And for this look, you're going to need the Moroccanoil styling cream, their texture spray, and a comb. So the first thing you want to do is create a triangular section in the front of your hair to just separate what you want to braid and what you don't want to braid. Next, I'm going to take the Moroccanoil Hydrating Styling Cream and work that into my fingers and palms before running it through my hair from roots to ends. This is just going to help with the braiding process so all of your hair kind of does what you want it to do. I also use whatever's left on my hands to smooth down the other side of my hair. Now we're going to separate the hair into 3 different strands, and in order to do an inverted French braid, you're gonna always be putting the middle piece of the braid over the top of either of the outside pieces. So once you understand that you're just taking the middle piece, putting it over the top of the outside piece, then you can start to pick up hair, which will create the French braid. I like to make sure my braid is really tight to begin with, so that none of my short little hairs start coming out. And then I'm going to secure it with an elastic, which I actually end up taking out, but it's perfect to help me with our next step. Next, I'm going to mist my braid with Moroccanoil's dry texture spray. This is going to give the hair a little bit of a grit, so when you start to pull your hair apart, like you can see me doing here, your hair isn't as silky smooth and it isn't going to kind of come out of the braid as easily. Now I'm just going to take a mini bobby pin and secure the braid to the back of my head and cover up the bobby pin with my short little hairs in the back. Then just giving my hair one last round of the dry texture spray before I go in and tease the other side of my hair just to kind of even out the hairstyle. Anyway, that is it for this inverted crown braid. I really hope that this was helpful, especially to those of you out there with short hair like me. I know sometimes it can feel like we can't do as much with our hair anymore, but something I learned from cutting all my hair off is product is definitely key. And these two are some of my absolute faves. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.